how many times have you stood before a judge and uttered those words? Never? 18 prior adjudications as a juvenile.
When a high-speed police chase ends with a stolen car and a 19-year-old in handcuffs, the defense blames a bad environment. But the courtroom is about to find out if this teenager is a victim of his block or a career criminal running out of chances.
State of Ohio versus Darren Oldham.
I know Mr. Oldham and his family pretty well. At this point, I represented him as a juvenile here in Warren County. I know, obviously, his juvenile record, no way to sugarcoat it, is atrocious. He is still just 19 years old. He is 4 credits shy of graduating high school. He's indicated that he should be able to get that finished up in the next couple of months. That's a goal of his. He wants to be a businessman, Your Honor. I think this is a situation where, unfortunately, he faced 0 consequences as a juvenile. And I think that led him to continue those bad decisions after turning the age of 18. I would ask the court to consider placing Mr. Oldham on a maximum period of community control with a significant amount of suspended time to give him the opportunity to show the court the kind of person that he is. He's a thoughtful young man, and I think unfortunately he has, again, been with the wrong crowd and made bad decisions, which isn't to escape accountability. He's here because he entered pleas on both of these case numbers, but I did want to just kind of address that with the court, the fact that I know both he and his brother have been in trouble, and I think it was a product of the environment more than anything, because I know his mother, and his mother is not the kind of person who would, I guess, allow her children to get into trouble if it were up to her. With that being said, Your Honor, again, 92 days jail time credit, and I'd ask the court to consider a suspended sentence. I know we had a joint recommendation of probation in this case.
Mr. Oldham, anything you'd like me to know before I sentence you?
Your Honor, I just want you to know that I'm good at taking self-accountability in the things I do, and I understand I was wrong and it won't happen again.
Mr. Oldham, how many times have you stood before a judge and uttered those words? Never? I find that hard to believe looking at your prior record. You have 18 prior adjudications as a juvenile. And then I look and see what the court has done for you. Suspended commitment, suspended commitment, suspended commitment. Doesn't seem that you've learned anything from your prior experience, extensive experience with the court system. Explain that to me.
I feel like it was an eye-opener. All this time I got over my head, and felonies that could be stuck on me for a long time.
For a 19-year-old to have that many adjudications as a juvenile, and then as soon as you turn 18 and become an adult, you are immediately in my court on 2 separate indictments. Here in Warren County, we take this very seriously. The court is going to make a finding. I am going to find today that you are not amenable to community control and that prison is necessary to fulfill the purposes and the principles of sentence, including punishment, deterrence, and protection of the public. The court is going to order you to serve 12 months in prison on the failure to comply count and 12 months in prison on the receiving stolen property. By law, those are required to be served consecutive to each other. Your license is suspended for your lifetime at this point in time.